What's up, guys? Here we have the Pickle Mini frame. I got this from TacoRC.com. Now, I was looking for another frame because obviously to get the Primo here that I reviewed last is very difficult. And now I'm in the UK, so I was looking for somewhere to get another one of these so I could test different motors, different configurations, and so on and so forth. And this has become my new favorite, not just because of the frame. I would still recommend the Primo frame because it's a wonderfully thought out frame. However, this is really, really nice. The frame actually is very close to what Kebab FPV initially came out with. It's just minimalistic. It's really light, guys. I really can't tell you how much I enjoy this class right now because, yeah, if even though I love flying my 3 inches and 5 inches, this just feels like a dream to fly, and especially on 1S. So after flying tiny whoops, with the 1S batteries, you're kind of, in your mind you think, oh, that's all a 1S battery can give you. But once you go to one of these frames and you feel how much efficiency you can get out of a 1S battery, the speed, the acrobatics, everything, without having those ducts and these having these wider blades, it makes such a big difference. Having said that, I wanted to experiment with 2S. So 2S, I came up with this one here. How did I end up with three of these? I don't know. I really don't know. I actually wanted an extra frame, then I had extra motors, and I just said, let me find another flight controller, and then I ended up with three. So there we go. This one, I put 2S. That's not the best thing to have that out there because that can short, but this is just for a test. This is the B-Core flight controller you can see there. This flight controller is known for burning up and frying your electronics, but so far I've had good luck with this. I actually ordered one of those beta FPV boards, but Banggood totally messed up my order, and I was left with just getting these for now. And I can tell you that 2S is very interesting flying with this. It's okay, so how to describe it? Because it's so light, when you ease off of the throttle after a punch out, you expect it to just carry on. It really doesn't. It kind of just stops and just kind of floats down. I mean, it does have a little bit of, drift and all these things, but it's not that much fun. I really have more fun on 1S with these things. Yeah. But that's just my findings. And the second thing I want to show you is these motors. These Happy Model 1102, 10,000 kV, gives me way more performance than these 0802. I think it's 15 or 12,000, I don't remember. And the same flight times. The efficiency is amazing on this thing. It's heavier. The motors are heavier, but you get the same efficiency on a 1S battery. And I enjoy 1S and these guys. So the camera I put in here that you're looking at, this is, well, one of them is the EOS 2 that we all know. The lens I have changed, that's why it may look a little bit different. This lens gives me more field of view. It also kind of gives me that super view feel. This lens, I originally saw it on the XJB145, and even though that camera kind of sucked, I took the lens off and tried it on other cameras, and I actually liked it because that lens gave me that look that I like. So the camera you're looking at here, this is the FXT T80. This is not the EOS. This is a camera that came out maybe a little over a year ago, and I've actually really liked this camera. It's configurable with OSD. I don't think you can get this now. It's very hard. I think now they have the T81, which has the mounting screws. I had to kind of jimmy up some mounting screws in this one. But I like how it looks. It's a little bit soft, but it's a very interesting look. It's even got a wider field of view than the EOS because the sensor is bigger. But the EOS actually looks pretty good as well. This camera, the T81, is really amazing at night. Like, honestly, it's one of the best night performing cameras I've seen in this size. No grains, no nothing. Anyway, guys, just want to show you the difference here. I'm really loving this. I don't know if I'm going to stick to 2S. Not sure, but yeah, I think I really am loving these. So ever since seeing this toothpick style, I remember seeing Kebab FPV talk about the fact that you can fly these safely around where there's people in more locations. So that's why I got really interested in flying 1S. And I really think that 1S is, where these really shine. That's my opinion. People, like speed and agility, and I think 3S for something this size is total overkill. So flying on 1S and this is you get that feeling of just such efficiency, and just the thought that you're flying on this tiny battery and getting so much fun out of it. It's just a magical feeling to me anyway. I like efficiency. I've always said that. And I think when you put this on 2S, it becomes a little bit less efficient. I mean, the batteries are smaller, so anyway. Anyway, guys, that's it. Just wanted to show you this really quick update. So enjoy and happy flying.